In today's video I show you Miyoo Mini V4 versus Miyoo Mini Plus. Which one is better for you? Let's start with the design and build. Miyoo Mini V4 size more compact, making it highly portable. Build sturdy plastic with a classic retro feel. Screen smaller display typically around 2.8 inches with a resolution that harks back to vintage gaming devices. In Miyoo Mini Plus, size slightly larger, offering a better grip for extended gaming sessions. Build a more modern look with improved ergonomics. Screen feature a large screen, around 3.5 inches with higher resolution for clearer and more vibrant visuals. Let's talk about performance and hardware. In V4, processor generally equipped with a lower end processor sufficient for running less demanding retro games. RAM limited RAM, which is adequate for classic games but may struggle with more advanced emulation. Storage offer basic internal storage with the option of expand via SD cards. In Mini Plus processor, upgraded processor that provides smoother performance, especially noticeable in more demanding emulators. RAM, increased RAM capacity allowing for better multitasking and handling more complex games. Storage, similar to the V4 but often come with more internal storage and support larger SD cards for extensive game libraries. Let's talk about battery life. In V4, typically the V4 has a battery life that's sufficient for several hours of gaming, but it might require more frequent charging during heavy use. In Mio Plus, improve battery capacity, providing longer playtime and less frequent charging, ideal for longer gaming sessions or travel. Let's talk about game compatibility and software. In V4, support a wide range of retro games but may have limitation with more recent or demanding titles due to hardware constraints. In Mini Plus, offer broader compatibility with a variety of game formats, including some more recent and demanding titles, thanks to it improves hardware. If you want to purchase these products, I provide the link in description. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.